this majestic waterfall cascades down in an incredible display of the power of nature and water. Sunlight piercing the spray and mist to leave dancing rainbow fragments above the lush green jungle. As you begin the ascent up the cliff, the roar of the waterfall fades into the background.
Hello.
Replaced by the sound of your own heavy breathing. The ladders hammered into the near vertical cliff offer a precarious path upwards. Each rung is soaked with spray from the waterfall, making the rails slippery with a thin layer of sand. We resist the urge to look down, knowing that below there is only air and swirling mist, with swallows darting in and out of view. That climb is not for the faint-hearted, but the sense of accomplishment is overwhelming, and you can take a moment to catch your breath and savour the view from above.